In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Coinbase account. If you're locked out or simply forgot your password, don't worry. This walkthrough will guide you from opening the app to getting back into your account safely. Start by opening the Coinbase app on your phone. Make sure you're using the official app and, if possible, that it's updated to the latest version. A quick update can prevent glitches and makes the recovery process smoother. Once the app is open, look for the sign in option on the home screen and tap it. This takes you to the login page where you can begin the recovery flow. Type in the email address you use for your Coinbase account and tap Continue. Double check for typos here. An incorrect email is one of the most common reasons recovery fails. After you continue, don't enter a password yet. Instead, tap the Forgot Password link on the screen. This is the fastest and most secure way to reset your credentials. You'll now see a prompt to reset your password. Go ahead and tap Reset Password. Coinbase will send a password reset email to the address you entered. Keep the app open or in the background so you can bounce back quickly after you complete the reset. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Coinbase. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder and make sure your email filters aren't hiding it. Be cautious of phishing, only click the official reset link from Coinbase and avoid any messages that look suspicious or ask for personal information. When you find the legitimate email, tap the reset link. For the best experience, open the link on the same device where you have the app installed. Create a new strong password that you haven't used before. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid obvious phrases or anything you've used on other sites. After confirming your new password, return to the Coinbase app. From here, just follow the on-screen guide. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to verify with a code sent to your email or authenticator, confirm your device, or acknowledge recent login activity. Complete each prompt carefully, and within moments you should be signed back in. That's it. You've recovered your Coinbase account. Keep your login details secure, and consider using a reputable password manager to avoid lockouts in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back on track quickly and safely.